Hey YouTube fam, what's good? It's your man Charlie Anthony, back with another FYI DIY video. And today I'm going to be replacing my current LED fog lights with a new set of LED fog lights that come with the angel eye rings and are controllable through an app. So most of it's pretty much wired. The only thing I'm going to change differently is the wiring for the daytime light on the halos. But stay tuned and let's see how this goes. So I pulled out the housing for the fog lamps and I am in the process of swapping them out. As you can see, these are a little smaller. These actually were just a little smaller than the original ones. These are 4-inch. These are about 3.9, I guess. But they'll wind up fitting in there. So what I wound up doing with these fog lights here, with these LEDs, was I had to modify it a bit, retrofit it pretty much to fit in the old housing. So I used the housing from the newer one to fit into the old housing, zip tied those together. Trust me, it works. I've had them like this for a while. Have not had an issue with it. So I'm gonna wind up swapping out these next and putting them in there. Well, first I'm gonna put this one into this housing here, and then there, wire them up, and should be good to go pretty soon. So I finished successfully swapping out the LED fog lights. Don't mind that sounds, a train going by. Anyway, I had to retrofit these because these were initially made for Jeep Wrangler. But since I made the swap earlier and I made these fit, these were also for Jeep Wrangler. I just like the way they look. And actually they look pretty good on the Durango. So I definitely wanted to go with these halo fog lamps. So I just got to wire them up, but I did have to do a quick retrofit to both housings just so I can be able to adjust the setting on the fog lamp. So with the Dremel, I wound up cutting through here, through the original housing, and if you can see in there, through the secondary housing that's held up in there. You won't see it from there, but I have a secondary housing in there. But anyway, I'm getting ready to put these bad boys on. Stay tuned. I still gotta connect the module here for the app. So this is where the app controls the lights. So stay tuned. I'll be back. It's your man Charlie Anthony. Also, don't forget, hit that subscribe button. All right, so I successfully connected the power of the halos to my turn signals. Well, to my parking lights actually. So when the parking light / turn signal goes on, my LED halos will go on now. So let me continue with the installation. I'll get back to you guys. All right, so now I have the LED halo fog lights fully connected. It is an app-based light control program. I have it connected to my other phone because for some reason on my regular phone it keeps knocking out my Bluetooth connections. So that is definitely a downside to this. So if you have another device to control them, I definitely suggest you use them. So as you can see, it has different settings here. Go back. It also has this dynamic mode, which earlier I had it on red trailing. You can go either way with it. So it has a lot of different settings though. Let's see. Just gonna go through a few of them. This way you guys can see. So as you can see, there's a lot of different settings to this. So I do like the setup. These were initially for a Jeep Wrangler, but I retrofitted them to fit my 2013 Durango. So it is possible. So if you guys want any more tips, just feel free to subscribe to my channel. It's your man Charlie Anthony, back with another FYI DIY video. See you guys on the next one.